guys, welcome to our channel. Like and share and subscribe my channel. Press the bell icon. Hi friends, hello. Today today we learn about percentage calculation. How to calculate percentage. Okay, let's start. Start with heading. Okay. First we have to write it. How to calculate the percentage. Percentage, okay. Percentage calculation. Okay. In percentage calculation, first we start with okay. Serial number. Write down serial number. Production quantity. Production rate and production quantity. Same. Okay. इसको थोड़ा स्मॉल साइज में कर देते हैं. Percentage. Production percentage. Percent production. Okay. So next, first we start with serial number. 5 assemblies. In 5 assemblies, we can use autofill option. Okay. Production date. Here we can start with 1. Okay. Autofill option. Okay. 1 January, 1 February, 1 March, 1 April, 1 May. Production assembly. Three-wheeler engine. Two-wheeler engine. Two-wheeler engine. Okay. Four-wheeler engine. Eight-wheeler. And after CNG compact engine. Okay, done. We have to calculate total production percentage. In 1 January, we can produce 1112 nose. Okay. Next, two-wheeler 2122. Okay. Again 100, 1100, 1200, 1300. Done. So how to calculate percentage? Okay. Overall percentage. Target. Please fix our production target. Production target. Okay. Okay. So after here we can calculate about percentage. First we have to start with percentage. Percentage is equals to quantity produced. First we have to start with is equals to is equals to is equal to in bracket sum in bracket complete. First bracket start percentage divided by quantity production divided by actual target, bracket complete, into 100. Okay, almost 74 percentage. Okay, almost 74 percentage production. Percent. Okay, here we can compress this total percentage decimal production. Okay, total percent production will be here. So here we can continue this formula of last 5 items. Next, today we learn about how to calculate percentage calculation, production percentage. Okay, in this video I can color this serial number. Target and percentage production percentage. Okay, hi guys, our topic will be completed percentage calculation. How to calculate percentage? Here we can see the formula is equal to sum 3 brackets first in this quantity produced divided by actual target, bracket complete, into multiply by 100, and again this formula will be continued by using autofill. Okay, total production in 5 months we can create, but we can write here sum okay. Here you can see formula sum is equals to next total percentage production. Okay, sum total percentage calculation. Here we can this, and after we can write here total production. We can write here total production percentage, total production. Okay, autofill. Okay, almost 78 percentage, almost 78 percentage production, almost 78 percentage production will be produced. Total production is 5,872 quantities and target is 7,500. Out of this, total production in 5 months 78.29% प्रोडक्शन. हाय गाइस, आज की टॉपिक अच्छी लगी, आज की वीडियो अच्छी लगी तो लाइक शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब जरूर करना. ओके, मिलते हैं अगले वीडियो में. बाय. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Like and share and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.